Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Arforgo Smart Projector Short Throw Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4K Supported, Arforgo 1080p 320 ANSI Mini Portable TV Smart Projector. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Arforgo X10 Smart Projector. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Short throw projector. Thanks to 1:1 short throw ratio lens, Arforgo X10 short throw projector can project from 19 to 200 inch with the distance between only 0.45 to 4.5 meters, allowing placement closer to the screen. The short throw projector is ideal for smaller spaces and easier installation. Office 4K projector. With native 1080p ultra-high definition resolution, this portable projector supports 4K video playback, that brings more real visual enjoyment. This 1080p projector features 320 ANSI lumen high brightness, support PDF Excel Office document presentation via USB. This kind of portability makes your small meetings more convenient. TV projector. Unlike other projectors that need extra Chromecast or TV stick when you want to play Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more, Arforgo TV projector can build in thousands of these apps. You can just enjoy these video streaming in X10 TV projector without falling into copyright protection problem which be caused by screen mirroring from phones. Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector. Equipped with latest 5G Wi-Fi technology. You can connect your iOS and Android devices to the Wi-Fi projector via screen mirroring or casting function without converting cable, such troublesome thing. Guaranteeing no lagging while phone gaming. This Bluetooth projector has a built-in stereo surround speaker which provides the original audio fidelity. You can also connect it with Bluetooth headsets, speakers, and other Bluetooth devices. 4D and 4P zoom projector. This portable projector uses 4 directions and 4 points electric trapezoid correction technology, which helps you overcome angles problem from room limitations and ceiling. Front or rear mount ways. You can adjust the picture angles not only in vertical, but also in horizontal direction. The HD projector has motorized zoom facility which can adjust the picture from 100% to 50% by remote control of the projector without moving this mini projector. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.